Places, everyone, places. Yes, thank you.
Here we go.
Off you go. Deep breath.
Every year at Christmas, the UK throws away
12 million carrots.
11 million roasted. 10 million parsnips.
9 million boats of gravy.
8 million balls of stuffing.
17 million mince
6
pies.
million jars of cranberry.
Oh, what a waste! 4 million puddings.
So many sprouts.
2 million turkeys.
And they're